round of applause as we are welcoming him to be part of our huge inauguration for Moda and Jigo Office. This is something that's very interesting, something that's part of our future, and something that's very innovative for all of us. As we welcome him, let's give him a big round of applause. Of course, right here, Honorable Francisco Mayor Isko Moreno, the City Mayor of Manila. We're very glad that you're here, Mayor. The moment everyone has been waiting for. We're about to officially open Moda and Jigo Office with our ribbon cutting ceremony. I invite everyone to please visit outside so you can of course witness this huge milestone. Let's go outside that po. Okay.
Sarap ras mo.
Guys,
Sarap na tayo. Kailangan mo lang
I hope you guys are hearing me.
Sir, excuse me lang, sir. Excuse me lang, sir.
Okay.
Press na tayo konti, sir.
This is a
Wala
very
certification ng lending, sir.
monumental moment for everyone. Number one, guys, the weather is great. I mean, from the very beginning, nothing medyo well. So I think the universe is with us, right?
Sir, press na tayo konti.
Right. So I know everyone is very excited for this very exciting moment for each and every one of us, as we are going to witness something that is huge for Moda Jigo Philippines and for AutoHub Group. Alright, as we gather here, today marks not just the opening of a dealership, but the beginning of a stronger connection between Moda and Jigo and the Filipino community. Of course, the ribbon represents opportunity, innovation, and road ahead. Alright, I hope you guys are going to be counting with me. In 3, 2, 1! Congratulations and welcome to the official inauguration of Moda and Jigo Office. Let's put your hands up and give this a big round of applause. That's great. Alright, thank you so much for that. Okay, let's go back inside na lang, guys, okay? Okay! Something that's very monumental for all of us, for all the Filipino, for the industry of mobility. And right now, we're just going to welcome our Honorable Mayor Isko Moreno to give us a very quick speech on how does he feel about the inauguration. Of course, for Moda Jigo Philippines and for AutoHub Group. Let's give him a big round of applause.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Especially to ng Manilans, welcome to Manila. Okay.
magandang hapon sa inyo. Pasensya niyo na, pati hindi ko makakuha yung alas dos ninyo sapagkat I have also another good news for the people of Manila, especially to the business sector, because all 10,000 tourists will come to Manila on November 29. And this is an international event. Kasi nung pagpupo nung nakalang taon, bumalik sila sa Manila. Medyo lang siguro nagustuhan nila on how we deal with them, how we manage their presence, their activities, events in the city. And ang gusto nila, inulit nila ngayong taon. Correct? You know very well, more than we, the tourism creates a lot of jobs and opportunity across demographics. Kaya napakalaking bagay ng turismo sa ating lungsod. And special pa sapagkat ito'y sasamahan ang ating mga national artists like Ryan Kay. Tawag dito sa Rock and Roll Marathon, gaganapin usually sa Las Vegas yan, sa ibang bahagi ng mundo. One will happen again in Manila, and joined by going to be joined by Ryan Kay at ang tema ay ganda ng ating musika. Ito ay sarili natin. Bagay na bagay sa kampanya ng Manila. Because the tourism campaign of Manila is Manila, My Manila, written by Rick Joaquin, also national artist. So, kaya sabi ko kay Lieutenant, sabihan mo sila, baka pwede akong kumabol dito sa Umoda opening kahit ko. Kasi pagka may mga ganitong negosyo na nagbubukas sa Manila, in our own little way, showing up here is to show also our support to the business sector. And I'd like to inform you, I think an hour ago you see it in online, the report, the business report, the actual data-based driven report of new businesses amounting to 3.3 billion pesos worth of new businesses came in the half of this year. This time despite the economic turmoil, and especially noise. Noise na lang. Unti-unting sumisigla, bumabalik ulit ang tiwala ng mga namumuhunan. And this type of 3.3 billion, ito yung isa sa malaking driver sa isang komunidad. It is about 1.52 million pesos worth of business per week by new businesses. So that will generate more jobs. Just imagine at 500, at 300 a month, at 3 individuals hired. It's 1,500 new jobs for the people. What more you can do with 10,000? So rest assured you guys, trust in Manila, Ma'am, Umaga, the Jaiko family, ay lagi kayong welcome sa Manila. No harm will come to you. Huwag kayong magpatatakot dyan sa mga institutionalized people sa Sigyor. Hanggat nandito ako, may gobyerno sa lungsod namin. This is it. You're always welcome here. Develop your property, especially on the side, don't you share it. Develop your property. The rules that we liberalize, the way I did it in the first term, but nawala kasi yun, nawala din ako. Let me inform you, land development here, usually you apply for zoning, 20 items, it's now 7 items to comply. If you fall or fail under the exceptional circumstances, you need 15 items, now it's 5. Kaya saglit lang, over the day, for a few days, you will have your permit to construct your property and develop your property. Yan ang gusto ko lang ipapatid sa inyo. whether it is private or for commercial purposes, go on and develop what you own here in Manila. And we will create certainty in our rules. Sauce for the gander will be the sauce for the goose. Because the rules on regular citizen, small cap business is the same rules that we apply to big businesses. Manila is open for business. Today, we welcome you here in Manila. And thank you for giving opportunity for our people, for them to work through sales and services. Again, ay taos puso ang aking pasasalamat sa pagtitiwala niyo muli sa Luzon. At kung manatag kayo, marahil ang Maynila'y luma. But that pagiging luma is our uniqueness. We have about 2 million people as your market here in Manila. And about 3 million data. And we have a lot of story to tell with this unique city. The very least that I can do is pipilitin ko lagi na maging mainam sa pamamahala, eficiente sa pagkasta, kayo magalala, walang flood control dito, flood lang ang meron. Flooding lang ang meron dito. But other than that, rest assured, as I have said, paulit-ulit ko sasabihin, very least thing that I can do is gawing maaliwalas at panatag ang pamumuhay sa Luzon. And congratulations sa inyong lahat at pagpalain mo pa ng Diyos kayo at ang inyong kalusugan, and especially ang inyong negosyo itinatag sa Luzon ng Manila. Maraming salamat. Manila!
Thank you so much for that. Very stop. Of course, we're inviting all of the leaders that has been part of our ribbon cutting. Of course, we have Mr. Willie Tite, Mr. Pershing, Ms. Weja, Mr. Sally Martin, of course, our Honorable Mayor Moreno. And of course, our GM manager, of course, Mr. Pershing, for photo op and Ms. O. And right, of course, with Mary's call, we're going to have our toast as we're going to inaugurate. And as we definitely inaugurate that, all the AG office, of course, here's our toast. Okay, I hope you guys are going to celebrate with us. I hope you guys are going to seize these moments right now, right here, as we are having this one. And right now, we are also inviting those GMs and executives of AutoHub Group. Please join us on our stage as we're going to toast this monumental moment for OG Autos and AutoHub Group. Please join us here, please. Thank you. Alright, sige, punta na tayo dito. Yes, please, go ahead. Alright.